In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a PowerPoint presentation into CapCut. Whether you're putting together a professional presentation with enhanced visuals or creating content for social media, this is a skill worth having. Let's dive right in. First, we need to start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear, as we will convert this into a video format. Once you have your presentation ready, head over to the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll find various options, but what we're interested in is the export feature. Go ahead and click on it. Under the export options, you'll see a selection for Create a Video. This is the magic button that transforms your slides into a video format that can be used in CapCut. Once you click on this, you'll be prompted to choose the video quality. Generally, Full HD is a great choice, as it balances good image quality with a manageable file size. However, if you need a higher or lower resolution for any specific purpose, feel free to adjust accordingly. After setting the video quality, click on Create Video. Don't forget to choose a location on your computer to save the file to make it easier to find later. It's also a good practice to give it a descriptive file name like presentation video so you know exactly what it is. One thing to keep in mind as you create this video from PowerPoint is that certain media elements might not carry over unless you have specific upgrades or features enabled. In this example, we'll continue without upgrading for extra media. This means that only the basic animations, transitions, and slide content will be captured in your video, which is usually sufficient for most situations. Now that you have your PowerPoint presentation saved as a video, it's time to switch gears and move over to CapCut. Launch the CapCut application and start off by clicking on New Project. This will open up a fresh workspace where you can begin editing. Next, you'll need to bring your freshly created video into CapCut. Click on Import and navigate to where you saved your video file. Select that file and it will be imported into your CapCut library. Once imported, simply drag and drop the video from your library onto your timeline. Here you can perform any additional editing you need, such as trimming, adding music or voiceovers, inserting text, or incorporating effects to enhance your video presentation. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate a PowerPoint presentation into CapCut for further editing. This process opens up new possibilities for creativity and presentation design so you can make your visual storytelling more engaging and dynamic. That's it for today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.